Welcome back to the channel, guys. So last week we did see a Lamborghini Aventador, so not Aventador, a Huracan on COPART, and we did actually bid for the car, but we didn't bid too much. We didn't really commit ourselves to it because we saw the car a day before it was about to go into the live auction, so we didn't really want to commit to actually buying it because obviously before you purchase a car like that, you want to see just how bad the damage is, and we didn't really see the car in person. We just saw the pictures of it. So we kind of just took like a blind bid at it just to see, where it ends. And the car actually went quite cheap. It went for £53,000. With the additional fees, it would have come up to about £56,000, which is still really cheap for a Lamborghini. You would need about £20,000 just for all the parts. So overall, that car would have cost about less than 80 grand for a Lamborghini Huracan. So whoever's purchased that car, they've got themselves an absolute bargain. So I'm kind of like regretting not actually bidding a little more than what I actually did. We actually purchased a new project car now. I'm not going to show you guys what it is just yet, so hopefully next week the car will be here. It was supposed to be here for this week. There's a few issues with the transport and he's a little busy at the moment, so hopefully next week it will be here, and next week you'll get your video as well, the new project car. The new project car, guys, it doesn't start or drive, and it is a super car killer. And in the last few videos we have dropped hints of what the car is. I'm not going to tell you guys where the hint is, but there is a hint in the last few videos. If you go back there, you'll probably see it straight away. But anyways, for the new project car, it doesn't start or drive, and it doesn't come with keys, so we have bought skates. So yeah, all these messy boxes are because we just got these skates out of there. So these are hydraulic skates, and they're adjustable, heavy duty. Each skate can handle about 680 kilos each. So they're really good for what we need them for. Obviously the new project car, we need to move it around, and instead of pushing it forward and back and doing your back end as well, we thought why not get some skates, get the car onto the skates, it'll be easier to move around as well. So I think just getting the car into the workshop is going to be an issue because I'm not sure if you guys have seen, but just outside the workshop shutters, we have got a bit of an incline, so it's a bit of uphill, and trying to get cars in and out is an issue because it is slightly steep. So I think these will definitely come in handy trying to get the car in and out of the workshop. So hopefully next week we'll have that video on the new project build. Currently we are working on one of our friends' cars. It is a Fiesta, just a regular Fiesta. I think it's a titanium. It's in for a minor repair, just a back-end damage. We don't normally take on other people's projects. We just normally stick to what we do, which is repairing our own performance cars. A lot of you guys always message us asking if you can fix your cars, but we really can't. We are restricted for space. We could just about get 2 cars in here to work on. We prefer to work on 1 car at a time, and that 1 car normally tends to be our own car. We are thinking about doing like a little side series where we actually buy a budget build, something like this, for less than £1,000 and actually fix it up. So let us know what you guys want to see. Do you guys want to see the budget build as well as the regular weekly upload of our performance build as well? Also, do you guys want to see a drift build, I don't know, a track car? Just let us know what kind of content you guys want to see, because that way we'll know what you want. And if you don't follow us on Instagram, make sure you do. It's at Performance Rebuilds, because the day before we put the new video up, we will put the picture up of the car so you know straight away what it is. So guys, I know for sure the new project car will be a really good car. It's a super car killer. You know exactly what it is, some of you. And if you do, comment down below what you think it is. Guys, a lot of you were saying buy the C63. But the thing is, we've already purchased this car now, and I think it's actually above a C63. It's a lot more powerful, and it's a lot more popular than a C63. Maybe next time we'll get a C63 just for you guys. But for now, we've got our project car now, so we can start working on that. So hopefully next week, guys, we'll have a widget for you with the new project car. So for this week, we're going to call it a wrap for this video, and thanks a lot for watching. I know it's just a short one, but we'll see you on next week's project video.